Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to use your Razer mouse for like something like the PlayStation for certain buttons. The problem for me right now is that this button is not being recognized because by default it's set as a sensitivity adjustment, so the PS5 is not recognizing it. I'm going to show you a quick fix. So what you need to do is you have to have a Windows computer, or at least borrow someone and download the Razer Synapse software, which I have loaded up right here. Once we have it loaded up, we're going to take our dongle USB that comes with our Razer mouse, and we're going to plug it in to our computer. Alright, once we have it plugged in, we're going to get a notification from Razer to make sure your thing's mouse is on, and we're going to see our device pop up. So when we need to go here on our device is that we're going to have to go to the customization, and we're going to go to this 3 buttons right here, these 3 lines. So as you could see here right now, it's set as scroll click, which is actually good. So what you're going to basically do is, see how there's mouse button 4 and 5? The reason why your PlayStation is not recognizing something like X or something, if you set this to X, is because it's a keyboard function. So if I set here right now to X, it's not going to work on my PlayStation. But because when you plug it in as a mouse, it only recognizes it as a mouse, and it's not going to allow any keyboard functionality to work. So what you have to go is here where it says mouse function. You have to click on it, and then see the different options here. You have to click options that work for you in the game, and these are the only options you have. So something like scroll click, which I'm not even sure how to actually do, is what I have it set to when I click save. And you see how there's this red logo right here? You're going to want to click on it because those are the onboard profiles. And right now this desktop thing is my profile, so I'm going to add it to each of these colors. You only needed to add it to the white one by default, but just to have it there just in case. Because at the bottom of the mouse, you'll notice there's this color. And when you click on it, it's going to change to the different profiles. But by default, it's going to be the white one. So the next thing that we're going to do is now unplug our mouse. Now we're going to plug our mouse into the PlayStation, and then allow it to be logged into your account. Now, as you can see, if I click here this weapon slot and I click this bind, it's going to pick it up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know.